what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Smart, quiet, and dependable, the Friedrich Chill Premier Room Air Conditioner checks off all the boxes that are important to you while staying at a price point that's important to your budget. The Chill Premier design is sleek in a neutral two-tone color that complements and easily blends into any decor. Chill Premier is available in a wide variety of options to suit your needs. Models range from 5,000 to 24,000 BTU, with both cooling and electric heat models. Chill Premier also comes in a fixed chassis for fast, simplified installation and a slide-out chassis for more permanent installation. The eco-friendly Chill Premier line features many ENERGY STAR qualified models and some of the highest EERs in the category. All feature a money saver mode that reduces energy use and costs in addition to a 24-hour timer that programs your AC to turn on or shut off at a set time. Chill Premier also offers 8-way airflow distribution for improved cooling throughout any room, as well as a washable, antimicrobial air filter to reduce bacteria and air pollutants. Home or away, you're in control of your Friedrich Chill Premier. Integrated Wi-Fi for on-the-go control using the Friedrich Go app from any mobile device, plus smart home voice command compatibility with Google Home and Amazon Alexa make it easier to take control anytime, anywhere. The Chill Premier line is built with Quiet Master technology for a design up to 25% quieter than the competition. Engineered with heavy-duty insulation, stiffened sheet metal, vibration dampening counterweights, and wider discharge vents to optimize airflow, the Chill Premier keeps you comfortable while offering a noticeably quieter cooling and heating experience. Since its founding in 1883, Friedrich has focused on one manufacturing standard: quality without compromise. And the Chill Premier line continues our legacy of dependable, quality products engineered with superior components and scrutinized under rigorous testing to earn the Friedrich name. Chill Premier is backed by our 1-year in-home parts and labor warranty, as well as a 5-year sealed system warranty with a broad service network, a team of technical experts, and our US-based customer support to ensure you get the prompt service you deserve. If you're looking for premium features like smart home connectivity in a quiet, dependable, and affordable room air conditioner, then look no further than Friedrich's Chill Premier. If you demand the best, it has to be a Friedrich, the experts in room air conditioning.
Properly installing your GE Appliances window air conditioner isn't difficult. Here's how to get started. To install your air conditioner, you will need the following tools: Phillips head screwdriver, a drill with 1/8-inch drill bit, a pencil, tape measure, a level, and scissors or a knife. We will be installing this air conditioner in a standard double-hung vinyl window. If you have a different type of windowsill, please reference your installation instructions. Different models of our window air conditioners require different window dimensions. For exact specifications, be sure to check your user manual, packaging box, or log in to geappliances.com. Make sure that the window is within reach of an electrical outlet that accepts a 3-prong grounding plug. To prepare the air conditioner, you'll first need to install the top mounting rail with 4 included Type A screws. Next, you'll need to prepare the window by applying weather seals to the top and bottom edge of the window. You may need to trim the weather strip with scissors or a knife to fit the size of your window. apply weather strip to each side of the curtain frame that will extend out from the air conditioner to the sides of the window. This will help seal the area once it's installed. Now slide the side curtain panel into the rails on each side of the air conditioner. Once the panels are in place, install the curtain frames. These curtain frames are labeled left and right. Slide the frame into the top slot and the bottom rail on both sides. Then snap the side curtains into the frames. Now you're ready to install the air conditioner into your window. Measure your window from side to side and mark the center point. At this point, you'll need another person to help you lift the air conditioner and set it into the window. Make sure the front edge of the bottom mounting rail is against the back edge of the windowsill, and make sure that the air conditioner is centered on the center mark you made. Next, slide the window down so that the front edge of the top mounting is in front of the window. The air conditioner should be sitting level or slightly tilting to the outside. Extend the curtain panels to fill the window area on each side of the air conditioner. Then use your drill and 1/8" drill bit to drill pilot holes to secure the side panels into place. Screw the 4 Type B screws into the pilot holes. Next, you'll want to secure the air conditioner to the window. Start by locating the screw near the bottom on the right-hand side of the unit. Loosen this screw. Then slide a side bracket over the screw so that it is resting on the windowsill. Now tighten the screw. Use your drill and 1/8" drill bit to drill pilot holes through the holes in the side bracket. Screw 2 of the 4 Type B screws into the holes and attach the bracket to the sill. Then repeat the side bracket installation to the left side of the air conditioner unit. To cover and insulate the curtain panels, you'll need to measure the area for the adhesive-backed foam sheets. Cut these sheets to fit, and then apply them to the side curtains and frames. Finally, you need to install the window lock bracket to the window and frame. For wood windows, place the bracket above the lower window with the hole facing you. For vinyl windows, like this example, place the bracket above the lower window with the hole to the side. Use your drill to make a pilot hole, then secure the bracket with 1 single Type B screw. Then, cut the foam top window gasket to fit the width of your window. Insert the foam between the glass and the window to block outside air and insects from getting in through the crack. Your window air conditioner is now safely installed in your window and ready to be used. You can change settings using the keypad, the included remote, or through Wi-Fi Connect to chill your room to the perfect temperature. For more information about our products, visit geappliances.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.
What are you reinventing? The window AC? Who are you?
Meet the first U-shaped AC. Well, not that windows, but these windows.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.